So step number one, get on the highway and drive towards Pozzuoli Solfatara. Now you're exiting at the Pozzuoli exits. You're driving under this random bridge. Okay, so now we are approaching the Pozzuoli Solfatara train station. This light up there, it means that yes, there is parking. So as you drive in, the first thing you need to do is you need to get a parking tickets. So you need to press this button, get your ticket. It's gonna say Pozzuoli, and you hold on to it. The lever just went up, and now you're gonna go park anywhere. Just park anywhere. Okay, I've parked. So now I need to take this parking ticket with me because I'm gonna need it when I return. So take this with you. Put the parking ticket in your purse, in your bag, in your wallet, whatever. Get out of your car, unlock it, and then walk towards the station. Okay, so this is the station. This is the station. You're gonna walk down the stairs. And you're gonna go to this machine. And you're gonna press English.
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
We're at Pozzuoli. It's easy just to click Napoli Piazza. No. Wait a minute. Yeah, just click anything. I usually click Napoli Piazza Garibaldi. Really, I'm going to Monte Santo. Let's see if they have that. Oh, they do. One way. Let's see if that's a Monte. Oh no, that's the wrong Monte Santo. You see? So let's just do.
Beware of pickpockets.
Napoli Piazza
In case of
Garibaldi.
need,
It's just
ask
easier.
only Trenitalia staff for more information.
Okay, one way. Continue. That's not where I'm going to get off, but it's okay. $2.60 for one ticket. Oh. Okay, let me click. That's another train. Let me click this train. Forward. You press forward. You press purchase. I accept the carrier, yes. Cash.
Insert the cash in the
Now you put
lower
your
right
coins in
by
here,
the
okay?
green light on the device.
It costs $2.60, so $2.60 worth of coins. Am I there yet? Oh crap, I just dropped some coins. Mamma mia. Ay. How much more do I need? Oh, well, let me pause this and find my money. Okay, I finished paying because it says total to be paid, 0. Now it's printing my tickets. My ticket's gonna come down from the bottom. There it is. It printed one ticket. Got it. Now you have to validate the ticket. This machine is red, so it's not working. So we need to go to a machine that works. This one works. So you take your ticket, and probably just the bottom side, and just align it here. Okay, that one's not working. Let's try this one. You heard it, right? Now there's like a printed thing at the bottom. Now you go to your train. So we're going to Napoli SG, right? Oh, I said in Garibaldi, same thing. So Napoli SG will be at platform 2 and platform 4. I missed the 409, so we're gonna take the 424, which is gonna be at platform 4, okay? Now, you walk down these steps and you walk towards platform 4. They're kind of, this place is kind of under construction. So now, see, platform 4 is on the left, where the elevator is, and 5 is on the right. I'm just gonna go up here, up the 5, because eventually the 4 and the 5 are at the same place. You see, 5 is over there, 4 is over here. So this is the train, my 424 train that I'm taking into Napoli from Pozzuoli. You see, there's Pozzuoli, there's the water. Here's the train. So now the train is open, doesn't leave for another 20 minutes. Now we're gonna walk onto the train with our ticket. And we're gonna wait for about 20 minutes for the train to leave at 4:24. You walk onto the train, I'm onto the train, and you sit wherever you wanna sit. I'm gonna sit right here. Also, they have places for you to charge your phone on these trains, which I just love. And so, again, here we are at Pozzuoli Soffatara, waiting to go into Napoli.